Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss our third chapter which is in your book 2 and the name of the chapter is Festivals. Now let's start the chapter. Here the first line is let us learn about some festivals that are celebrated across our country. So students, now we will discuss about different kinds of festivals that are celebrated in our country. Okay, and the first one is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. On this day, people worship the goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Ganesha. So students, Diwali is a festival of lights, and on this day, that means on Diwali, people worship the goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Ganesha. They decorate their houses with lights and diyas, wear new clothes, distribute sweets and burst crackers. So children, on Diwali, people decorate their houses with different colorful lights and diyas. Then they wear new clothes and they distribute sweets to their relatives and their neighbors, and they burst crackers also. Understood all of you? Now the second one is Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. On the night before Holi, a bonfire is lit and people pray around it. So students, Holi is a festival of colors, and on the night before Holi, people lit a bonfire, that is a large open air fire used for burning as part of a celebration, and people pray around it. Understood all of you? The next day, they play colorful gulal with each other. Children play with pichkaris. So students, the next day, people play with colorful gulal with each other, and children play with different kinds of pichkaris to sprinkle colors on their friends and relatives. Now let's move to the next page. Here the third one is Eid. Eid or Eid Fitr marks the end of a month-long fasting and praying called Ramadan. People prepare sevaya. So students, Eid is celebrated after a month-long fasting and praying, which is called Ramadan. On this day, people prepare different kinds of sweets at their home like sevaya, jalebi, laddu, etc. On this day, people go to mosque, they hug each other, exchange greetings and distribute alms to the poor and the needy. So students, on this special day, people go to the mosque, then they hug each other and they exchange greetings. After that, they distribute alms to the poor and the needy people. So students, alms are gifts of money, clothes or food to the poor and the needy people. Understood all of you? Now let's discuss our next festival. Now the fourth one is Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is the birth anniversary of the first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev. He founded Sikhism. This festival is also called Gurpurab. So students, Guru Nanak Jayanti is the birth anniversary of the first Sikh Guru, that is Guru Nanak Dev. Guru Nanak Dev is the founder of Sikhism. Okay, and this festival is also known as Gurpurab. On this day, Gurudwaras are decorated with lights langars or community feasts are organized at many places. So children, on this special day, Gurudwaras are decorated with different kinds of colorful lights, and at many places community feast means langars are also organized. So students, here langars means a communal free kitchen where the food served to all regardless of caste or religion as a gesture of equality. Understood all of you? Now, the last festival of this chapter, that is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on December 25th to rejoice the birth of Jesus Christ. So students, Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December to feel the great joy of the birth of Jesus Christ. People decorate Christmas trees, light up their houses, and sing Christmas carols. So children, on this day, people decorate the Christmas trees with different kinds of lights, bells and stars. Then they light up their houses and they sing the Christmas carols together. Santa Claus is said to bring gifts on the night before this festival. Now students, look at this picture. Santa Claus is there with lots of gifts, isn't it? So, on Christmas Eve, Santa Claus used to come with lots of gifts for the children. Understood all of you? So students, now you have to read the chapter properly at home and you will learn the book exercise given in your assignment. Thank you.